Welcome to the Prescott Vibe.
Are you in search of a serene retreat or an action-packed getaway? Look no further than Prescott, Arizona. Lynx Lake Recreational Area, Watson Lake, and Willow Lake are all awaiting your arrival to provide you with unparalleled experiences. Offering a plethora of aquatic activities from fishing, swimming to kayaking, the Lynx Lake Recreational Area is one of Arizona's best-kept secrets. With over 27 species for angling enthusiasts to try their luck at, you can spend an entire day out on the lake. But it doesn't stop there. Take in breathtaking views and enjoy nature by tackling some trails or setting up a picnic amongst one of America's largest ponderosa pine populations in this picturesque area. If you're looking for an awe-inspiring adventure in an environment unlike any other, Watson and Willow Lakes are the perfect place. Here, you can kayak or paddleboard around Watson's perimeter or through Willow Lake's submerged cottonwood trees. You can also explore along its shoreline to discover hidden trails or secluded coves nestled in between the granite boulders. And when the sun sets, bask in their beautiful ambience while fishing or relaxing on their tranquil shores. Whether it's exhilarating rock climbing, hiking, or camping that calls your name, this paradise has something for everyone. Don't delay any longer. Experience Prescott today. These 3 lakes are perfect for first-time and repeat visitors alike. Explore the small-town charm and distinctive character that each location has to offer. So, gather your belongings, get ready to snap some pictures, and prepare yourself for an idyllic journey full of peace and exhilaration at every turn.